Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of the Zevo Flying Insect Trap. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know our final verdict on whether this insect trap is worth it. Zevo Flying Insect Trap Overview. Zevo Flying is an insect trap used to catch pesky flying insects at home using trap plus lock technology by luring them with UV and blue light. It traps fruit flies, houseflies, and plant gnats. For usage, peel the sheet from the adhesive backing, insert the disposable cartridge, and place the trap in areas where bugs are common. Once full, lift the cartridge using the No Mess tab and dispose of it in the trash. For optimal results, inspect the trap every 15 days. What we liked. It's easy to use as all you need to do is plug it in. It has no odor. It traps insects permanently. What we didn't like. It is not effective in attracting and trapping larger flies. Features. It has 24/7 continuous attraction. The Zevo Flying Insect Trap features effortless 24/7 continuous attraction, ensuring uninterrupted insect capture with no effort from the user. Using a combination of UV light and attractants, it continuously lures and traps flying insects, providing round-the-clock protection. Unlike sprays or manual traps that require frequent intervention, Zevo works automatically, making it a hassle-free plug-and-forget solution. Its non-toxic, odor-free design makes it safe for indoor use, ensuring a clean and effective way to manage insect populations without chemicals or maintenance. It has a removable refill cartridge. Zevo Flying Insect Trap features removable refill cartridges, providing year-round protection against flying pests. These easily replaceable cartridges ensure continuous trapping without cleanups and constant maintenance. Swap out a full cartridge for a fresh one to keep the trap working effectively, making it an easy and long-term solution for managing small flying insects indoors. It traps insects on a disposable adhesive backing. Zevo Flying Insect Trap captures flying pests using a disposable adhesive backing, ensuring a mess-free and efficient solution. Once insects are lured in by the UV light and attractants, they become trapped on the sticky surface, preventing escape. Who is Zevo Flying Insect Trap best suited for? The Zevo Flying Insect Trap is ideal for anyone looking for a non-toxic and continuous solution to control small flying pests indoors. Verdict. Who should get the Zevo Flying Insect Trap? The Zevo Flying Insect Trap is not effective in trapping large insects, so if you're dealing with large flies, you might be disappointed. Over and about, it's a non-toxic and effective solution to eliminate small flying insects indoors. What gives it an edge over other insect traps is its 24/7 continuous attraction, removable refill cartridges, and disposable adhesive backing that make it an easy-to-use and long-term solution. Overall, it's a solid choice for maintaining a pest-free home with minimal effort. Thanks for watching.